Alright everybody, a bit of a follow-up video I've put on regarding 66. I thought I'd better let you have a right looking cockpit, and I thought I'd better let you hear it running. All bits of trim are all original, sorted out, recovered. I've done all that, same with all dash nose, everything. Dash top, made new ply. I've done all carpets, and I got my mate to do door cards for me. I've done all top capping, so but I thought we'd start it up, let you have a listen to it as well. I mean, peg on, they all are sending me a peg, because that's choke cables do wear. They start to slip in a bit, so it just gave me a choke, because I like choke. Well, this one is on bell mouth, so it needs a bit of choke, but here we go. There we go, she's probably just a bit cold, honestly not bad. See, oil pressure, temperature's right. I mean, I've run it up this morning, everything works. Fans on, obviously lights work, I mean, even dimmer. Well, it's had a new alarm, it said everything, washers work, wipers are there. Not too bad, this one. They can be a bit lumpy as they come down onto idle till you get mixture nailed right on them with bell mouse, but I've got it sorted now. I'll have a look underneath. Seems a shame I've done your thing. I thought I'd better let you have a look at. I mean, it's a very quiet engine, but these, well, my phone, it tends to pick them up a bit more. There's only one car makes that noise, other than a Marina twin carb. It's that, yeah. I mean, as you can see, detail, even fans right. But I thought I'd better put one on it. It's starting and running. Give us a like if you like this video as well, same as the other one. And subscribe to my channel if you want to see more stuff done to this sort of quality. And pass me a comment, even if it's mechanical on these. I'm not behind door on them, tell you a few bits and pieces. '66 BGT manual overdrive works. It's even got its vacuum. I will show you this. It's even got its little vacuum switch on, which is down here, and it operates. It works. Makes a change. So, thanks for watching anyhow. One last quick look for you. Cheers then, bye for now.